warning for West Central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, western Charles County in southern Maryland, northeastern King George County in central Virginia, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., Sophia thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Woodbridge, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include La Plata, King George, Dowdrin, Nanchanoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Popes Creek, Wycomico, Bryan's Road, Potomac Heights, Pomfret, Port Tobacco Village, Marbury, Lindenville, Port Tobacco, Ironsides, Ripley, Mount Victoria, Grissom, Belle Alton, and Newburgh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.